Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import tokens on your MetaMask wallet. So once you are here on your wallet, you want to click expand view and you will be redirected to here. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of chains you can choose from and you can search for them. You can also add a network. So for example, let's choose Ethereum network and you want to import a coin which would be on that network. So maybe let's choose base, so we could import base network coins like these. Now, as you can see, at the bottom there are import tokens. So all you have to do is enter the coin name, or you can, if you're not sure, you need to go ahead, for example, on CoinMarketCap and have this contract address, copy it. Once you will copy it and make sure this is on that smart chain. After this, you basically just enter it here. But for today, let's just enter it like so. Click next, and after this, click import, and then you will see the token here. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.